Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. I have a Galaxy DX49 today. It's just a simple tune-up. It's for Brandon in Oklahoma. We're going to do 2 radios today for him. This one, Brandon, has a serial number that ends in 71. Let's take a look on the power analyst here. It's come up with 5.4 all the way up. And if I turn it down, about 1 watt all the way down. And on the other meter, 1 to 5. Now for peak power.
Audio check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Audio.
Maximum there was 35 watts. Peak power. Okay. Now this one was
reading. Audio check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
See, this one reads 30 right there. It's reading about 33 on this one.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check.
Alright, and now upper sideband. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. See, forward peak. Audio. Okay. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Sideband waveform. And let me go back because I don't think I showed you the AM waveform. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Okay. Bragger 19 for radio check.
Your radio's working.
Appreciate it, driver. Have a good one.
Hey, you there? Yes, you hear me? Can't find a minute past 7.
Hey, Brandon. Here's your other radio. Is serial number ending in 27. And over on the power analyst again, power all the way down, just under a watt, all the way up about 5 watts. And for forward peak power,
Audio check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4.
about 33 there. We'll take it to sideband. Turn that down. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Audio about 28, 29 sideband. Let's bring it on the antenna. What do if I put it on the antenna? Let's try that. A Bragger 19 for radio check.
Loud and clear.
Appreciate it, driver. Have a good one. Drive safe.